This right here is the inflatable paddleboard that we picked up. We're going to take a look at that one, see how it works out.
Somewhere to be every night of the week. Seems God ain't close as he used to be. And there's more to keep.
All right, now that we got our little campsite set up, we'll bust out this bad boy, and we got to pump it up.
I thought I'd be
On over here, roll it up.
Maybe mom and dad had it right all along. We're too old to still be alone, and we ain't happy ever after all. I'm just saying it wouldn't be as bad as we made it out, living in our hometown.
So this is the XXXL 500-pound rated 11-foot board by Niphean, and it is pretty solid and very, very big. The best part is that there is two screws right here, one a little bit off center and one all the way in the front. I hope that fits to put my 360 camera on there. So I just tried it out too. It's a 1/4 inch, so you can actually mount your camera equipment on there, which in my case will be the Insta360 X4 that we will put on that.
One shot, let's go, let's go. You know that I won't lie like this. I don't wanna hide everything, like say that we're just friends, but no friends don't kiss. I feel my body giving in. You want my heart, baby, you say it don't faze me, but oh no, that's not how I think. You make my mind hazy, I know it sounds crazy, but maybe we could be a thing. I'll give it one shot, make it hot, show me what you bring. No, no, don't stop, talk a lot, tell me what you think. One shot to a lifetime, give you my all, yeah, yeah. One shot, make it hot, one shot. I'm thinking it's for life with you. My God is telling me don't go, so won't you stay a while, who knew that we could end up super close. You want my heart, baby, you say it don't faze me, but
So this is 560 pounds on this board right now. Because I'm 400, she's a $150 or $160.
Yeah, 150.
So I'm 6 feet. She's what?
5'6".
3'5".
Shit.
I would have never thought that with my 400 pounds it'd end up on a freaking paddleboard. But if you want to start with something, start with this board because it's really good.
make it hot, one shot.
No, just wait. There you go. 680 pounds. And we're still above water, guys.
I'll give it one shot, make it hot, show me what you bring. No, no, don't stop, talk a lot, tell me what you think.
So there you got it. It's the Niphean 11-footer XXXL inflatable paddleboard. So I can only recommend it. We maxed it out too, so it's pretty good and it's a lot of fun. So yeah, definitely check it out. If you guys enjoyed this episode, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell. Until then, be a nice human, make somebody else smile. Definitely paid for it. Love you all. Aloha.
Yeah, one shot, make it hot, don't